Hello everyone, today I am going to explain exercise 5.3, that is implicit functions. Okay, let us start with the first problem. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x, find dy by dx. So this is the number 2, so I have written 2. So d by dx of x plus 3 d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sin x. Dx and dx get cancelled, only 2 is remaining. Plus 3 d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sin x is cos x. All these formulas I have written here. Dx means it is 1 and d by dx of sin x is cos x. Okay. Now this 2 I'll shift it to the right hand side, so it will become minus 2. Fine. Now dy by dx, this 3 will come in the denominator part. So dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. So second sum is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. You can see almost first and second sum are same, but here the variable is x and here it is y. So 2 d by dx of x plus 3 d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sin y. Same as it is, dx upon dx get cancelled, so only 2 is remaining, plus 3 dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin y is cos y and dy by dx, since the variable is y here. Fine. Now there is a dy by dx here, so I am going to shift this on the right hand side, it will become minus. Fine. In this 2 dy by dx is common, so this 2 remain as it is. Now cos y minus 3 will come in the denominator part. Fine. Now let us move to the third sum. Ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Now a d by dx of x plus b d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of cos y. Dx get cancelled, only a is remaining, plus b d by dx of y square is 2y dy by dx. Here in the formula I have written here d by dx of y square is, it is 2y dy by dx. Fine. Now d by dx of cos is minus sin y dy by dx. Fine. Now this minus will come to the left hand side, it will become plus, and this a will go to the right hand side, so it will become minus. So in this 2 the common is dy by dx. So what is remaining? 2by plus sin y, that will go in the denominator part, and this minus a will be there in the numerator part as it is. Okay. The fourth sum is xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. This xy I am going to apply product rule from the formula, right? D by dx of uv is u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. That is the product rule. So I am going to apply here. Consider this as a u, this as a v. So x d by dx of y plus y d by dx of x plus d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of tan x plus d by dx of y. Dx get cancelled, you are remained with only y. Now x dy by dx as it is. Now here d by dx of y square, again from the formula it is 2y dy by dx, so I have written here 2y dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan is secant square x plus dy by dx. Now here I have marked dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, right? So I have taken common. What is the variable of this? It is x. Here the variable is 2y. Since this dy by dx will shift to the left hand side, it will become minus 1 is equal to this secant square I have written as it is. This plus y will go to the right hand side, so it will become minus y. So this numerator part I have written as it is. This will go to the denominator. So dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. Let us move on to the fifth sum now. So the fifth question is x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. So here I'll write d by dx of x square plus this will become u and this will become v. Okay. From the product rule, this will become x dy by dx plus y d by dx plus d by dx of y square, and the last one is d by dx of 100. Okay. Now d by dx of x square is 2x, this you need to write as it is. Okay, dx get cancelled, you remain with y. dy by dx of y square is 2y dy by dx, and dy by dx of 100 or any constant is always a 0. Here dy by dx. So let us take common. So the common is dy by dx. So you are remain with x, the coefficient, plus here 2y. I'll shift this y to the right hand side, so it will become minus y. Now this I'll shift to the right hand side, so it will become minus 2x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, take minus common, so y plus 2x, and this will go to the denominator part, that is x plus 2y. Okay, let us move to the sixth question. Here d by dx of x cube plus this will become u and this will become v. Again we need to apply product rule here. X square d by dx of y plus y d by dx of x square. Again this is also a product rule. We need to apply two times, first for this, second for this. Now here x d by dx of y square plus y square d by dx of x plus d by dx of y cube, and lastly d by dx of 81. Okay, now here d by dx of x cube is 3x square, and this will be as it is, plus y d by dx of x square is 2x, and x d by dx of y square is 2y dy by dx. This and this get cancelled, y square plus d by dx of y cube is 3 y square dy by dx. Okay, so you can see here dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx at three places. So I'll take common. So if I take dy by dx as a common, the coefficient is x square here, and here the coefficient is 2xy, and here the coefficient is 3y square. Okay, now this one I am going to shift on the right hand side, so it will become minus 3x square. This I am going to shift on the right hand side, so it will become minus 2yx, and this I am going to shift on the right hand side, so it will become minus y square. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square minus 2yx minus y square divided by x square plus 2x plus 3y square. This is your final answer. Okay, let us go to the seventh question. So seventh question is sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. So d by dx of sin square y plus d by dx of cos xy and d by dx of k. We don't have d by dx of sin square y formula. So what we have to do is we have to use d by dx of x raised to n formula, that is 2 sin y dy by d by dx of sin y. Find by chain rule. And here d by dx of cos is minus sin xy and d by dx of xy, and d by dx of constant is 0. Okay, so here 2 sin y, d by dx of sin y is cos y dy by dx, plus into minus will become minus sin xy. Now this is a product rule. So what I have to write here? X d by dx of y plus y d by dx of x is equal to 0. Dx get cancelled. So 2 sin y cos y means it is sin 2y. This is again a formula. Okay, minus sin xy, multiply this into x divided by dx, plus into minus into plus is minus y sin xy is equal to 0. You can see here also dy by dx, here also dy by dx. So I'll take dy by dx as a common. So sin 2y minus, you can take this x here, sin xy, and take this on the right hand side, so it will become y sin xy. So lastly you can write dy by dx is equal to y sin xy, and this whole term goes to the denominator, that is sin 2y minus x sin xy. Fine. Now let us solve 8th question. Here d by dx of sin square x plus d by dx of cos square y is equal to d by dx of 1. Again same here. So d by dx of sin square is 2 sin x, right? Now plus d by dx of cos square y is 2 cos y. Again d by dx of here 2 sin x, d by dx of sin x. Okay, chain rule. Okay, now here 2 cos y, d by dx of cos y, and this will become 0 because d by dx of constant is 0. Okay, so here 2 sin x, d by dx of sin x is cos x plus 2 cos y, d by dx of cos is minus sin y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now take this entire term on the right hand side. Now this will become sin 2x, and if this goes on the right hand side, it will become sin 2y dy by dx. Why? Because the variable is y here, and here it is x. So this will become sin 2x and this will become sin 2y. So dy by dx is equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Fine. Let us go to the question number 9. Yeah, question number 9 is y is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Here you need to take x is equal to tan theta. So when tan theta comes to the left hand side, it will become tan inverse of x is equal to theta. Let us substitute this x value here. So y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so y is equal to sin inverse of this 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. There is a formula called sin 2 theta. Okay, so sin inverse and sin get cancelled. You are remain with the y is equal to 2 theta. So d by dx of y is equal to 2 d by dx of, instead of theta I am going to write tan inverse of x. There is a formula for tan inverse of x, that is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is your final answer. Okay. So 10th question is y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Here also you need to take x is equal to tan theta. When this tan theta tan comes to the left hand side, it will become tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So here y is equal to tan inverse of 3, in place of x I am going to substitute tan theta minus here tan cube theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, so here 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta means it is tan 3 theta formula. Okay, when these two get cancelled, you are remain with y is equal to 3 theta. So dy by dx is equal to 3 d by dx of, instead of theta I am going to substitute tan inverse of x. Here also same thing. So what is the formula for tan inverse of x? It is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is your final answer. Okay, so 11th question is y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Here also you need to take x is equal to tan theta, and this will become tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus, in place of x I am going to substitute tan theta. So 1 plus, okay, so y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square means it is cos 2 theta. So cos and cos inverse get cancelled. So y is equal to 2 theta. So dy by dx is equal to 2 d by dx of theta. Theta means what? Tan inverse of x. Okay. So there is a formula for this. So d by dx of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So this completes your 11th question. So let us move on to the 12th question. So 12th question is y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. So it will become tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So I am going to substitute here. Y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. In the previous question you have studied 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square is nothing but cos 2 theta, right? So y is equal to sine inverse of cos 2 theta can be written as sine 90, pi by 2 means it is 90 minus 2 theta. Now you can cancel this. Okay, so now what you can write? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 d by dx of theta means what? It is tan inverse of x. So the constant is always 0. Minus 2, as you know that d by dx of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is your final answer. Okay, 13th question is y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Here I am going to consider again x is equal to tan theta, and this will become tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So y is equal to cos inverse of, in place of x I am going to write tan theta. So 1 plus tan square. Okay, now y is equal to cos inverse of, this whole is the formula of a sine 2 theta. You cannot cancel this. That's the reason you have to write sine 2 theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta. That is nothing but cos 90 minus theta. Okay, now you can cancel this and you can differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 outside d by dx of, what is theta here? It is tan inverse of x. Okay, now d by dx of pi by 2, that is nothing but constant. So it is 0 minus 2, and this is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now 14th question is y is equal to sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. Here I am going to take x is equal to sine theta. Okay, because the familiar formula is this trigonometric function is suitable. So when it comes this side, it will become sine inverse of x is equal to theta. So y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta. There is a formula that is cos theta. That's the reason I have chosen x is equal to sin theta instead of tan here. So y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta, means it is sin 2 theta. Okay, so this and this get cancelled, so y is equal to 2 theta. So dy by dx is equal to 2 d by dx of what is theta here? Sin inverse of x. So the formula for d by dx of sin inverse is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so let us move on to the 15th, that is the last question. So 15th question is y is equal to secant inverse of 1 divided by 2x square minus 1. So according to the formula, we can write this as a cos inverse of. Okay, now I am going to take x is equal to cos theta. So I can also write cos inverse of x is equal to theta. So here y is equal to cos inverse of, in place of x I am going to substitute cos theta. Okay, so y is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. The formula is cos 2 theta. So I'll write here cos 2 theta. Okay, this and this get cancelled. Y is equal to 2 theta. Let us differentiate this. D by dx of y, 2 d by dx of what is theta? Theta means it is cos inverse of x. So I'll write here cos inverse of x. So I can write 2 d by dx of cos inverse of x is minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so this completes your entire exercise. I hope you understood. Thank you.